quit being a dick to your girlfriend or wife. Real mofos display emotional stability, vulnerability, and kindness. I had the privilege of having John Gray on my podcast, the #1 best-selling relationship author of all time, dispensing this life-changing advice, this assignment for males. And he said, males, when you are experiencing a negative emotional charge, do not speak. Shut the F up and instead go off and do testosterone boosting activities. Do not engage when you're feeling cranky or bitchy. This will destroy a relationship. Words like, my feelings are hurt, is death to a relationship, John Gray says. So that kind of turns some of the advice that we've heard on our ear about being honest with your feelings and forthcoming. A real mofo is a kung fu master, that's what John Gray calls him, calm, cool, and collected under pressure. And our females are underpinnings of male-female relationships. The female's deep biological drive is to be cared for and protected by the male. So the male's deepest biological drive is to be the guy that has everything under control. That's when you nourish your testosterone, the opposite of engaging and being cranky and bitchy and complainy and flipping people off in traffic. These are things that deplete your testosterone. Testosterone boosting activities are going out there and doing sports, solving a problem, even playing a video game or watching a sporting event counts as a testosterone boosting activity. John Gray calls it going back into your cave for some cave time. Then you come back into the hectic, stressful, complex modern life, and you're the one that's the go-to person for emotional stability and control. And another assignment on the heels of this is to engage your partner in what he calls Venus talks. And that's where you allow the female to vent and blow off steam, because these are some of her hormonal needs after a busy, stressful day in the workplace. And your assignment is to sit there and listen quietly with validation without interrupting or offering advice and solutions. I know that's the male tendency, is to solve problems and offer solutions and not chit-chat endlessly, but as a true partner, you're giving the female what she needs and you're maintaining that emotional control and stability at all times, like a kung fu master, mofo.